Here are 3 cool rolling ball clocks that took me years to find. They have the same mechanism, but 2 of them are blacklight reactive. These used to be available in other designs too, like with tiny golf balls. They all work the same way. They have an arm that picks up balls and drops them onto the track every minute. They are rare, but you can still find them on eBay. If you like videos like this, subscribe to help me with the algorithm. Thanks for watching!